Hello, good morning everybody. We are traveling to 7 Mile Beach today, and there's a surprise. After exactly 35 minutes, the weather today is absolutely amazing. It is really delightful to be in this weather. There is no cloud at all, which makes it even more good, because when you see the horizon, you see water and cloud of same color, so it makes it beautiful. That's the highway we are traveling at the moment.
Which is this lake in the left side?
So it's a pit water. It comes from Derwent River.
Oh, Derwent River. Wow.
And the water is absolutely still at the moment.
Oh,
So no water is moving despite having the vibrations on the road. It's
Oh.
all still and clear.
the water seems to be very calm and quiet. What's
Yeah,
the
exactly.
reason of that?
It's because there is no wind to make it flow. And it's a pit water. It's a backwater sort of stuff. And there's some Hansoka Joda on that side.
Wow, it means birds, no? What's it called in English? At?
Hans?
It's called Hans in your language here.
Yeah.
But what is the proper food to eat in the water?
I don't know.
I think there is some white color birds also there.
They are all children.
Very weird. This bridge connects to the.
Midway Point.
Oh, I see. And this area is called Rosny Park? No.
No, that's Midway Point.
Midway Point. Fine. Speed limit 80, 70,
60.
60.
80 on this road, but 60 near houses.
Oh, but as soon as the curve comes in, your speed is going to get less automatically. So
And
now
look
we.
at me. I'm not driving at all. The car is driving itself.
Oh,
My hands-
it's Audi, I think. Yeah.
My hands free.
Oh, well, lovely. I think Ampol is the only petrol pump I think here selling petrol.
No, we have two petrol pumps in Sorel.
So now the green is for you.
But then if people are staying in Midway Point, the only petrol pump they have is Ampol.
Ampol. Oh. But they are always having ample
Amount of fuel.
fuel.
in Ampol.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is this bridge now? We are connecting.
So this connects to Cambridge, where we are going at the moment.
Wow. So the water seems to be quite moving. I think
Yeah.
there is a flow.
Yeah.
There is a flow to the water.
And you can see a beautiful view of Mount Wellington on that side,
Oh wow.
far behind.
That's Mount Wellington.
So Aboriginal people used to worship as their god, because that's the only mountain which was prominent in this area.
Oh. It must be good climate and very peaceful. Temperature around 14.
Yeah, I think so.
Really pleasant. Any chances of any fog in the morning?
Yes, absolutely. When
What lights you are having in the car to just to prevent the fog and just to see the road through? Yeah, and what
all
is the
type of light.
you are having fog
lights,
light? No,
fog lights, headlight.
they are quite sufficient to cope up with the.
Yeah, they are very strong. They are LED. That's why they go a lot further. They are not halogen bulbs.
The speed is 75 now. Wow, great. But you are preserving all the well and good forest, I've seen.
Yeah.
That's fine. This is a kangaroo, I think. Some
Was a wallaby.
Tasmania Gold Club. Wow.